Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you all how to clip in hair extensions. So there are a few things that you're going to need. I have a clip, a hairbrush. If you have a backcombing brush with like the little tail, that would be helpful, but I mean you could just use your fingers to like lift the hair up and separate. And your hair extensions, I'm using the Eden hair extensions in the 220 grams in the shade Off Black. Yeah, so let's get straight into it. So to begin, I've already pre-curled the hair extensions. Now they come with two kind of like sets of each clip. So there's the 2 clips, the 3 clips I believe, and then the 4 clips. So I like to start with the 2 clips, and what I do is I clip those 2 together. So I like to have my hair looking full because I've already got quite full hair, so I like to put it in like little bundles so that it kind of carries throughout my hair and it looks really nice. What I do is I get the back combing brush, the tail end, and I like to put the 2 clip extensions at the bottom. So what you do is you section it off. So I don't know if I can really show you all, but you section it off, and you grab your clip. This is so like ghetto. I don't know if this is like the proper way to do it, but this is how I've always done it. I mean, whatever way works best for you. I personally like to clip the 2 together because it gives the fullness. I've seen some people like do one side and then one side and one side. I just find this is quick and simple for me. So just pretty much place it in and push the clip down, and then bam, you've got some hair there. Okay, so then next you want to let your hair down because we're working from the bottom upward. The next one that I like to put in is the 3 clip one. It's so easy to do. Like, the reason why I love clipping extensions is because you can change up your look. I just find if you're gonna have, you know, the tape extensions or the bead extensions, you're kind of just stuck with that. Whereas if you want to have like those days where you have the short hair, or if you want to change up your look and have the long hair, clippings are just so easy to install, and it's just so quick to change up your look. Like if you've got 10 minutes in the morning, you've already pre-styled your hair, bam, you put the hair in, put a quick few curls or however you styled it in, and then you're good to go. So I've just sectioned off another piece of hair and I'm placing it. Then we're going to drop the hair again. And you guessed it, tail comb again. Now I like to put the 4 clip one kind of sitting at the crown of the head, just because it obviously has the width to go right around the head, and I like it most full through there, so that's where I like to place it. So I need another mirror, I can't see myself. So I kind of, with this one, I kind of just put it like at the tip of the ear. So I lift, if you don't have a tail comb, what the hell? If you don't have a tail comb, what you can do is just use your thumbs. So I like to get the tip of the ear until it meets in the center, and then section that area off, pull it down, and just clip that up. Now if you've got finer hair, I'm lucky because I've got kind of thicker, crazy hair, but if you've got finer hair, I find what you could do to make it clip to your hair really easily would be to back comb it. So you just grab your back combing brush and just zhuzh it up a little, maybe not that crazy, but zhuzh it up a bit, and then your clips will adhere to it really nicely. I'm just going to run through it. All the clips are open, so see how I've doubled it up? I just find that's such a great way to give you that fullness. Starting at the ear, 2 middle clips, and then ending at the other ear. And if it doesn't feel right, just move it around a bit until you find it's really comfortable. And these actually are really like easy to wear. Like you'd think, you know, wearing like 220 grams of hair in your head that's excess, you'd think it'd be really heavy, but these extensions are so beautiful. They're not heavy at all. Okay, so now at this point, I want it to blend a little bit more. So I will get my, even though I've already pre-styled them, I do want to put just probably a couple more curls in my natural hair so it blends. So I've just got my curling wand. You just grab out pieces that you just want it to blend a little bit more. And that's just pretty much like the final tweaks that I do to the extensions. And there is one last thing that I do, and I'll show you. It's probably better for someone with fuller hair like myself, because it's, you want to make sure that it like blends. So I'll show you what my last trick is. This is totally optional, but what I do is I get the brush, and starting from the bottom, I kind of zhuzh it up a bit. I mean, this is not necessary, but it's what I like to do to make my hair look full. I kind of like that, like almost like that beachy kind of zhuzhy sort of look. So this is obviously an optional part. It's not recommended, but it's what I do to blend the extensions with my hair. And pretty much that's all I really do in terms of like clipping them in, and then obviously just pop a bit of hairspray. Don't eat it, probably not good for you. And voila, we have our clipped in extensions. So easy to do. I'm very low maintenance with my hair, so any like option to like get around doing my hair, that's what I'm gonna take. Like I just cannot be bothered with hair. So if you're low maintenance like me and you want like that glam look that's super quick and easy to do, I reckon going with like clipping extensions, they're just so quick and easy to manage. I hope this was helpful. If you do have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below for me. Also, I've got a discount code for these extensions if you are curious or if you're wanting to purchase them, which I highly recommend. Yeah, so please like and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. For me, not description box, oh my god. Oh, where is my mind at? Now I feel like I need to go out. Like I'm so dolled up. I might go down to the shops and buy chocolate. I'm bothered.